Hey pet parents, check out the Sweetcrispy folding metal dog crate designed for ultimate safety and comfort. It features double doors with secure sliding bolt locks that keep your pet completely safe inside. The smooth, rounded corners and thick metal mesh provide lasting durability without harming your dog. An included divider panel helps with puppy training and adjusts as your dog continues to grow. The collapsible design folds down quickly, making it effortless to store or bring on road trips. Plus, the removable composite tray resists stains and odors for super fast and easy cleanup. Give your pup a comfortable, breathable, and secure space, whether at home or traveling anywhere. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.